Bro, look at this 180SX we found.
What is up? My name is Maclan and I'm going to be running through my build plan for the project RB25 180SX.
Welcome back to the channel. You would have seen Maclan around before in a couple of our previous videos. As we mentioned, this is his barn find 180SX. We're going to be going through his plans for it and his progress so far. As you can see, there's not much.
Alright, so here we have my 1992 Nissan 180SX. I purchased this car about 4 years ago. It started off originally as a SR20DET paired with a 5-speed manual. I've since then, about 3 years ago, taken the SR20 out with plans to do an RB25 swap. Was supposed to be about a week to do the swap. Here we are 3 years later with no engine in the car. Things don't always go as planned. But if you come in, I have gone ahead and shaved the bay, painted it all, just rattle can, nothing crazy. So hubs are currently off because it was a 4-stud car originally. I'm 5-stud converting it now. Walking into the interior, I have my very rare bucket seat, just got it from Japan. Smokey Nagata actually fired on it himself. So coming into the interior, my plans are to keep it full interior, no cage, no nothing. I want it to be a streetable car and as dangerous as possible. So I will be having a power tune dash. For the passenger seat, I'll be getting some SR3 Recaros. As we disclosed before, I'll be keeping the rare bucket seat. But that's about it. As you can see, there's no manual transmission in here. Like I said before, it will be getting the RB25 big box replacement. But yeah, that's about it for the interior. Nothing crazy going on in the interior. So plans for the exterior is I'm just going to go with an OEM Plus look. It didn't start off life as a Type X originally, but I will be doing a Type X mock-up kit. I do have genuine Type X wing and the lights. One is broken, so I'm going to need to find a replacement for that. But so I'll be getting the Type X rear pods, skirts, front bar, front lip, the lot. So coming in, I've got my RB25. RB25, RB26 covers. Call me shady the way I'll be mocking up. So we have a genuine Greddy intake. Over this side we have a Pulsar G30 770. Then it's paired with a 6-boost manifold high mount. All that I've done to this is ARP head studs and Nitto head gasket. That's really it, and a Ross Performance rear drain. But that's about it. And then here is the RB25 big box, which we're putting all the power down to the rear wheels. Alright, so coming to the wheels, these are going to be my choice that are going on the 180. They are a 18x10 VSKF. So over here, I've just got a bunch of shit. This is a kit I'm not going to be running. I'm going to be purchasing, say, JSI Aero kit from Sydney. So that'll all be going in the bin along with the VSKFs. RB25 into 180SX exhaust. My mates actually got that for me for my last birthday.
I did. No, it was Palace.
Alright, so power figures, I'm only chasing 450 horsepower. I'm not going to be running a cage or anything, so I don't want to push the limits of safety. So for the management, I'll be running a Elite 2500 and I'll be running an E85 only tune. So that basically concludes my build plan for my RB25 180SX.
If you liked the video, like, subscribe, share with your friends. We will see you in the next one.
Cheers.